Welcome back to Poetry and Police. Remember to subscribe and share my videos. Hit that notification bell. Let's get our young and unemployed youths in the communities to sign up for a skill training program. You have plumber, electrical, mason, carpenter, chefs, bakers, and much more. Now, we all know that Jamaica has been going through an unemployment landslide for the longest while. And the hard trust has always been there, and I have a whole lot of friends who have been gone to the hard trust and who have had careers as a result of the hard trust NTA. But what I have observed over the years, no matter how we advertise jobs, or not even jobs, but no matter how we advertise for people to join the hard trust program, most people still do not want to join the program. And then yet these are the people who complain every day. Talk bad about the government, whatever government in power. Talk about even police. How them now no work for do. Officer, me work now. Sit down on the street side and ask for work. And they are aware, have been aware of the Hard Trust NTA program for the longest while. And the fact of the matter, people, this is what it comes right down to. Some of these people are just born lazy. You hear me say? Born lazy and don't have no ambition. And that is why you see some of them so licky and follow criminals and get themselves in a criminal gangs all the time. Listen me, people. And the reason why I show this today now is that me can't take away anything from the Hard Trust, because the Hard program has been around for years, and like I have said before, I have a whole lot of friends from the Kingston 13 area and even the country area who have joined the program and have now made a career from joining the Hard Trust NTA. Understand? And at the same time, I have known many people, because I don't call lazy people my friend, because I don't friend lazy people, I don't friend criminal. Because when you're lazy, you must turn criminal. You must licky, you must turn criminal. And that is why you have so much young people, especially in the inner city nowadays, are finding themselves in organized crime, finding themselves in prison, finding themselves dead, are finding themselves in situations where they are being used by some of the high and mighties of society, who are being used and abused. You understand? Some of the youths from these communities are being used, because guess what? And I wouldn't say I use them, I use them. That is a life they choose, because guess what? A money thing. They want the money, but they're not prepared to invest themselves or throw themselves into the thing to get a job in order to make money legally. Them prefer to sit down on the street side and as morning light they on a roll. When I was living in Kingston 13 in a Virgin, I wake up every morning and I go to work. I never stopped working. Even before I was a police officer, I was a barber, I was a security. I do everything. I work at a free zone. You understand me? That is the type of person I was. I had a few subjects, but I never sit down and blame government. I never catch up on roadside and rub up ganja in my palm as soon as morning light. And the thing about it, people, when me wake out of my bed every morning and gone to work, go do the hard work, coming back from the factory or coming back from security work and in the barber shop, I cut here, you still have them people up on the street and say, boy, brown man beg your thing now. You see how the thing said, we are the same age. We are living in the same community, but yet still you prefer to sit down and smoke weed all day and brown man beg your thing now. That is how these people operate, And that's why Jamaica now go better with these people. And these are the same people. These people, brother. These people are the destruction of Jamaica. These people are the destruction of Jamaica, you know, because they are so lazy and they don't want to work. They're lazy both in mind and body. All they want to do is sit around, wear the most expensive sneakers, sit down on the street, clean every day. No work, and the only work them do is rub up weed in their hand. And I have come from the Kingston. I was living in the Kingston 13 area. I could have done gunman to if me want. I was approached on many occasions. Man in the ear. Remember there was a little boy, all one named Zetty boy, down in a Bowens Road one time. On Nelson Road. I was living at Nelson Road at the time. And he approached me. I saw him next door in a one yard over a fence. I said, "What's Zetty I move so?" Anyway, he called me. And when I went over there, he took out one little .3 out of one bag and I said, yo, hold this, man. You can hold this. I said, I don't want any gun. Understand? So you see the difference, people. We are from the same place, but my mindset was different. My mindset was different. I always consider myself an honest person. I could have been involved in crime. When I was a police officer, I could have made a whole lot of money by doing a whole lot of illegal stuff that came my way, but I did not. But this is what is eating away at the very core of Jamaica, because we sit around and want things to come our way. And even when employment opportunities are there, are avenues for which vehicles that we can ride on to get a career or to make an honest bread. But yet we don't want that, because guess what? The 9 to 5 money can't buy the Jordans. The 95 money can't go every hot party. The 9 to 5 money can't buy the clothes what you want wear. Because guess what? This is the thing in Jamaica, people. Face the situation that is in Jamaica now. I want you to face it, The situation that exists in Jamaica is that a man would rather sit around than going to work $500 for the week. A man would rather sit down, not working nothing. Because I'm saying, a fool work that and the money didn't make it. So let me ask you a question now. It's better you to make $1 more than to make none, though. So it's when you sit down on the corner and feel say riches are come your way. Because you see Jamaican people, especially in the ghetto communities, all them sit down every day spray riches and want to live life like the rap artists where them see out there. They want to live like Snoop Dogg, they want to live like DMX, they want to live like them want to live like Bounty Killer, they want to live like Flipper Mafia. See me I say? They want to live like all of these people they see making money and flossing and throwing champagne and cars. They want to live like Rifle them. Everybody want to live Rifle. That's why you see everybody start add this thing to the name of British. Everything they add British to their name. Everybody wanna be. But they don't want to work for nothing. And that's why crime's are rampant in Jamaica, for people rather to do things that can put them in prison or mess them up for the rest of their lives than do a 9 to 5. Are satisfied with the station that they are in. Everybody, most of these people in the ghetto, that is how they operate. And you know the thing about it is a few of us out of 100%, maybe are just 70 to 80%. Maybe I just 20 to 25 to 30% of us actually make it out of the ghetto. Like, have ambition for come out of the place, go to school, get a job, and ride the train to the end. Like, satisfied with the salary and save with money and make men and women of ourselves. Most of these people don't want that, people. All they want to do is sit on the street side and money for dropping in their hand for heaven. Every time rain fall and look up in the sky and then wish that the money fall instead of rain. You understand me? Everybody pass. Beg your thing now. The same people them who I used to live with in Kingston 13, you driving in the area. I used to be there with them. You drive to the area and say, Evans, beg your thing now. I give them yes because you don't know. But at the same time, if you put a job in the right hand and you put $1,000 in the left hand, people, they are going to take the $1,000 rather than take the job. They are going to take the $1,000 rather than take the job. Because they do not want to work. They want to live free, and yet they want to party like rock stars. They want to party like rock stars. And they cannot afford to party like rock stars legally. So what they do? They sell their bodies, they sell their souls, they get themselves involved in crime and violence. Because I remember one time when I used to live in Kingston 30, we have a little boy in the ear. I used to call him Coach. And, sufferer like the whole of we. And all of we they suffer, all of we poor and have nothing. And we live in the community and not go on for none of we. But I have never saw myself as nothing not going for me. I was young and I saw myself ambitious enough to know that one day, through hard work and dedication and ambition, that I would have lifted up myself out of the poverty that I was swimming in. But not all, a few other guys around me pre-life that way there. But not some of us, not more, but 80% of us never viewed it that way. I am telling you that. So I remember this guy, Coach. None of ratings, nobody in a rating like that. In poor, no, nothing. Zetty boy, the same thing. They're all dead now. Coach went on robberies and was killed. Enough of them know from the community go up on robbery and dead a country. Chop up, shut up, dead. Understand? And this is the thing. People, these guys, them set them life a certain way and they are not going to change because they believe in the fast money world. They believe in the scamming world. I know the thing about it, the whole thing about Jamaica. Jamaica lionize negativity too much. Everything negative Jamaicans lion, these people lionize because they have no belief system. These people have no belief system. They do not believe that they should work. They believe in easy life, and they believe in fast money, and they will do anything to make that fast money, even sell, even to violate their bodies. You understand me? They will do that for money. That's why you see the mother stand about and people highlight me and lionize chopper life. Eh? And a lionize scamming life. That is the thing that's been lionized in Jamaica, You would never see a man walking around with a pamphlet and I give him a pamphlet like this Hard Trust NTA pamphlet and giving around to his friends in the community. Say, yo, we can go here so and get a trade, Them not doing it. These people get up every day, then get up. The women sit around like that and say them a dolly. And the man them sit around and say them a chopper. You understand me? That is how they live their life. And when police kill them now, you hear them are burn out police. Eh? If you're involved in a life of crime, the thing say if you live by the gun, you die by the gun. Anything you live by, that is what you're going to die by. If you're a criminal, you're going to die or go to prison, which is the reward for being a criminal. So what? You never pray that you're going to go to prison or police, you're going to gunshot you before you take up gun and start rob people for your expensive clothes. And you never know, so you're going to prison to scam people. Because you do not want to work. Because the Hard Trust has been around in Jamaica for years, and I've said before, I respect the Hard Trust program because I have known a whole lot of Jamaicans who have been on the program and are doing well. I had a friend who went to the Hard Trust and did accounting, banking. The man started working at a bank shortly. The man have a degree now. The man is a manager for a big company now. He went through Hard Trust. Remember, not all of us are doctors and lawyers or police officers, Some of us have to be carpenters and masons too, because like I always divulge to you, my viewers and my subscribers, that in Jamaica, it takes everybody to make the wheel turn. Everybody plays a role in society. But the thing about it, these people do not believe in that. They believe, say, everybody if you're rich. They believe, say, everybody is for rich. Nobody believes in the minimum amount to say, yo, me have enough to pay my bills and live a simple life. Everybody want to be simple and live an extravagant life. Live above their means. That is what is happening in Jamaica. To live amongst their means. Everybody want to live like Kim Kardashian. Everybody want to live like the great Americans, Jay-Z's them. Dress and wear clothes and drive cars like them, because those people, not realizing that those people have to work hard to attain whatever they have. Now, if you sit on the street corner in a Jamaica and roll weed in your hand every day as morning light, or you gonna make them the money there to even live a good life? You can't do that. So you have to go rob and thief, and then eventually police are gonna kill you and you're gonna end up in prison. You understand? You see, most of these people in the Garrison community are tricked, you know, and they're tribalized, because when men who migrated from the community and come to America and sell them drugs in America and live and come back to Jamaica and live lavish lifestyles, and they're getting all the women in the community and they're driving the expensive cars and they're going around, and it's bigger thing now, you run out money and they become dans. So this is what the youths are. This is what the youths are emulating. This is what the youths want to become. Rich. I mean, everybody wants to have enough money. But how can you have money without work? How can you have money without being gainfully employed? And this is what these people are not dissecting in these communities. They tend to believe that, hey, we can be a chopper, we can be a prostitute, we can male or female, and that is the quickest way to make money. We can scam people to make money. If I saw no plan to skate through life, then on a life short, on life I go short, on a life now have no meaning. And then you see the thing about it, people. When I joined the police department, you know, from the Kingston 13 era, them say me an informer. You understand? I'm a show off. Enough of them, you know, my peers used to say, oh, me show off, I'm a this, I'm a that. Show off, how? Because me a drive a car and me have a decent job. I had ambition. I wasn't sitting on the street with you rubbing ganja in my hand, nigga. I have big gun in a waist and big spliff in a mouth. That was not my lifestyle. And if I have never joined the police department and I couldn't get in the job, I would have gone too hard to get a trade. I remember I wanted to get into Heart when, matter of fact, it was German automotive at the time. That was my ambition. That's why I did mechanical engineering at school. But let me tell you something, people. The people in Jamaica lack ambition, and therefore that is the biggest catalyst towards Jamaica's unemployment rate. Work there, they know. Sometimes work there, they know, but that the people don't want the work. Because the work where them get. You see, the thing about it, you know, a man want to get a job that he's not qualified to get. A man want to get a salary that he's not qualified to be paid. All because a man thinks that, or a woman thinks that their lifestyle is supposed to be like others who are gaining that amount of money. And you see a bad mind that now, you know, you come down to bad mind, you know, already and licky. That's why politicians come on and use, you know, so often and tell you one bag of lie, you know, digest it because, you know, so licky, bossy, you know, can't get $1,000 for put on like a pot pan fire. And that's why Vibes Cartel can grow in our community. I want to beg him on $10, I want to get it because I'm not satisfied with that $10. Because me I tell you, say, I mean, we say it again, I'm going to repeat it. I'm going to repeat it over and over again. If you put $1,000 in the left hand and you put a job application in the right hand, them will take the $1,000. Most of them. 90% of them are going to take the $1,000, and at the same time, they blame Jamaican politics. They blame Jamaica. They blame everybody for them not being gainfully employed. And they blame everybody for the lifestyle that they are living. They blame everybody for not achieving anything in life. They blame everybody for being in prison. Parents are blame police and politicians for when their gunman son get shoot down in the street. And if your son walk up and down with gun on the street, you must get gunshot. You live by the war, you die by the war. I believe in that. You get up every day, you roll up weed in your hand and you have big gun in your waist and spliff in your mouth. Sitting like you're not supposed to be alive. Cause what kind of purpose are you? What kind of purpose are you on the earth for? Just smoke weed and rob and thief people? All cockroach, right? If you go down in a 6'6" and not even 6 foot, 12'12". As far as possible, somebody can't even dig you back out. Because you have no relevance. You see what I say? And these people, me I tell you this, some of us believe that money put us into a certain lifestyle. But you people need to understand this, that if you come from the ghetto and you start make money, example Bounty Killer and these people who make money and say they move go live uptown amongst the elites, amongst the higher class people, they do not accept you, and they will never accept you as one of them. So you could have money till it drop off of you and you come from ghetto, you are ghetto to them, and you are nothing more to them than that. They not even want them kids to mingle with your children. Me I tell you that straight. So you see, it's just an illusion. So all them chopper ya and then scammer ya, we are growing the place and a rob and thief people, whether online or physically. Remember when the day come. You understand me? And me say when police take on out, you want to know how redrive. You understand me? People like we are not supposed to exist, because all you do is deteriorate this society. There's the poster. Hard Trust have training that you people can go to. But you choose to sit on the street and rub on your hand as morning light, put on makeup and sit down on the street and expect say money will come on the way. So how? The only way money will come on the way is if you don't rob and thief. And then you people are the same people going and talk about Jamaica and no job. Because who don't want the jobs? Who do expect to no have no degree, no subject, and no go and no school and get a job in the bank as a manager? Impossible. Understand? But like me said to you people, there's the ad. Whosoever want a job, reach out to the Hard Trust. There is the numbers there. It has always been there for years, and it is still there. And most of you in the garrison communities can reach out. Go and go get training, man, so you can find yourself a job, so you can create yourself some financial stability, man. And stop trying to live your lives more than when you can reach. All people say, no, hang your basket where you can't reach. And that is what is happening in Jamaica nowadays. Everybody is hanging their basket where they can't reach. And everybody is going around and blaming society for their downfall. Blaming society for when police kill them picnic. Blame police, blame politicians, and blame society if they don't reach nowhere in their life.